Okay guys, samahan niyo ulit akong mag-unbox and hands-on ng mga smartphones from Cherrymobile. So, ngayon this time is Omega HD Duo. So, yung full specs, ipopost ko dun sa description below. So, ito yung initial specs niya. So, it's running on Android 8.1 Oreo. It has 13 MP plus BGA rear camera, so dual camera yung likod niya. It has 8 MP front. It has 1.3 GHz quad-core CPU. Meron siyang 5.2 inch HD LCD screen. Dual SIM 4G. Battery of 2650. Memory 16GB of ROM, 2GB of RAM, Wi-Fi ready, and also it can read up to 128GB micro SD card. Okay. Let's start the unboxing. So, tanggalin muna natin siya. Handset, battery 2650, USB cable, headset, manual, brochure, inserts, and charger. Next, check naman natin yung itsura niya or yung physical. So, ito na siya. So, ito yung front LCD niya, screen. So, yun yung front camera niya. Okay. Sides. .5 audio jack, micro USB port, yung sa ilalim, speaker, power button, volume controller. Okay, and ito yung likod niya. So physically yung body niya is aluminum frame. So, premium yung feel niya rin. Then, yung battery cover niya sa likod. Matte finish. So, ito yung fingerprint scanner niya. Dual camera niya sa likod with flash. Ito siya. One last look. Okay, so tanggalin natin yung likod. Okay, so ito yung likod niya. Ito yung micro SD card slot, SIM 2, SIM 1. Okay, ito yung camera niya sa likod. Flash, fingerprint. Okay. Siya. So nakalagay dito 3D surround or 3D sound speaker niya. Okay. Natin battery niya. Okay. So check natin yung user interface niya. Okay, so check naman natin yung kanyang user interface. So tanggalin lang natin tong screen. So si Omega HD Duo, it's running on Android 8.1 Oreo. So mapansin nyo, basically almost all ng mga recently labas ni cherrymobile is running on Android stock. So drop down menu niya dito sa taas. So select yung system shortcuts niya, and swipe up nyo lang. So makikita nyo yung mga naka-preload like Google Apps, then may mga cherry apps lang din like C-Play, Info Center, wireless update or OTA, then meron din naka-preload na Facebook and Instagram. Okay, so check natin settings. So almost the same din, stock settings, like nandun din yung mga network settings, connected device, apps and notification, battery, display, sound, storage. So ito yung storage nya. So currently na-use ko na is 48% kasi nag-download na ako ng apps para i-check natin mamaya. Security and location, so dito pag-set ng fingerprint. Then navigation bar, so pwede kang pumili nung navigation bar sa baba. So dito siya, pwede mong pumili. Then user accounts, so dito ka mag-add ng mga Gmail accounts mo, Facebook account, accessibility, Google, and system. So system, dito yung information about the phone. So yung build number, Android version, and the model. Okay, so check naman natin yung kanyang Antutu benchmark and gaming performance. So natapos na rin yung ating unboxing and hands-on kay Omega HD Duo. So if you're looking for budget smartphone, so si Omega HD Duo is highly recommended, especially yung mga features niya like dual camera and also has a fingerprint scanner. So capable din siya ng everyday use like internet browsing, using data or Wi-Fi, and also like gaming. So highly recommended siya. Subscribe lang kayo sa channel ko para makareceive kayo ng notification na meron tayong bagong i-unbox and hands-on. Okay? Thank you.